Yes.
Now there are some verb which is called Wechsel verb. Now what are these Wechsel verb? Verbs which take both accusative and dative case. Okay, or you can say which have verbs which have both accusative and dative object. Okay,
Okay.
now how do we decide that, for example, as in there are so many verbs to which belong for Wechsel verbs. First let us take this one example, bringen, which means to bring.
Okay.
Now this is your Wechsel verb. Okay, now the according to definition, these verbs take both the case accusative also and dative also. Okay,
Okay.
or in a sentence if you are using any Wechsel verb, there will be two object, accusative object and dative object. Okay,
Okay.
now how should I decide that which object should take accusative case and which object should take dative case, correct?
Yes.
Now here we follow this rule, PDTA. Okay, now what is this PDTA? P is your person, D is dative, A is accusative, and T is thing. As in, to every person in a sentence where your Wechsel verb are used, if there is a person, so you will be giving the dative case to that. And if there is a thing in the sentence, you will be giving the accusative case to that. Okay,
Okay.
as in person dative and the thing will take accusative case. Okay,
Accusative. Okay.
any doubt
Okay.
till now?
So far good.
Okay, now one more question arises, as in, okay, so I have my nominative subject, I have my verb I had conjugated, and I have my two objects. One object is my dative object and one object is my accusative object, correct? Now
Yes.
the question arises, as in, if I'm making a sentence, which object should I put first? As in, should I put dative object first or accusative one, or should I put the accusative object first or dative object first, correct? It is not like, you can put any object first, as in, you will write the nominative subject, you will write the verb Wechsel verb, and here one time you are using dative object first and then accusative object, and the other time you are using accusative object first and then your dative object second. It's not like that. For
Okay.
that we also follow this rule, NVDA. What is this NVDA? Okay, so N is nominative, V is verb, A is your accusative object, and D is your dative object. Okay.
Okay.
For example, first you will put your nominative subject,
Subject. Yeah.
and then you will put your
And then
Wechsel verb
second place verb.
conjugated. Then you will put the dative
Okay.
object, and then you will
That
put
is
accusative.
accusative.
For example, let us say, uh, taking the bringen verb only, ish. Okay, so
So the things will go at the end.
what you say?
So the things will go at the end.
Correct, correct. Things will go at the end. Now, let
Okay.
us use one example, which is I bring my mother the chair. Okay. Now, ish bringer will be same.
Yeah, ich
Who is the
bringe
person in this sentence?
I. Ich. Nominative.
as in after the
Person.
word.
Okay, mother, mother,
Mother.
mother.
And the thing is the chair, correct?
Yes.
So according to this rule, I will give
Mutter.
dative case to
Dem,
mother.
dem mutter.
Minor mutter, my mother. And in dative, your the feminine
You,
belongs to
sorry.
there
Okay, okay. Minor.
will be minor mutter. The chair is your den stool.
Okay, minor
Their stool.
mutter.
Okay.
Minor mutter.
As in, first thing,
Dem.
according to PDTA rule, I give dative case to
Dem.
person and accusative case to thing.
Yeah, yeah. I understood.
According to this case, I put my dative object first and then I put my accusative object second. Any doubt?
Good.
Okay. Now I will give one sentence. You translate this one.
Okay. Okay.
She buys the
She got
child a pen, a pencil, let's say. So kaufen is
okay.
also a Wechsel verb.
The child becomes a das.
Yeah, it is das Kind.
Dem.
And it is your der
Dem kinder. Is it dem? Neutrum.
Dame. Yeah, so it will be Z
Dem. Mm. Dem
cow
kinder.
Dame Kind.
Okay. Sie kauft dem Kinder.
Kinder is your plural.
Kind. Okay, kind.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And it is your der Bleistift.
Okay. Bleistift.
Yes.
Okay.
So it will be
Den Bleistift.
einen.
Then becomes einen. Okay.
Okay.
Einen.
Einen Bleistift. Okay. Now,
Bleistift.
any doubt?
If you,
Confusion?
yeah. So far, good. If you have any exercise, give me homework. I will do it.
Yes, no problem. I will share the exercises with your sir. He will send it to you. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. No problem. Now try to translate this one. We gave
Okay.
the
We gave
her
them
novel.
the baby, the lady, Frau.
Die Frau. It is your Die Frau, and novel is your Der Roman.
Der Frau. Here are novel is dead. Okay. So this is
It will be weird.
einen Roman.
No. Roman will be same, but
Good.
why einen? Possessive pronoun. Here you have her. Einen is your own best.
Okay. Her. Here.
Iheren, yeah.
Ihren. Is it Ihren?
Iheren, yes. En.
Ihren.
Dative object.
Okay.
And your dative object. Okay.
Okay.
Now, till B1, I guess. Yeah, until B1, we see that whenever we are using these Wechsel verb, one object is your person and one object is your this. One object is a person and one is your thing, correct?
Thing is.
And according to this PDTA rule, we follow the rule and we